Welcome to Steleo. Nope.
Okay.
That hurt my ear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Did it hurt? It was like a dino stomping on the house. Our balloons are ready.
Woohoo! So what we did, we had small balloons
What?
and we didn't inflate them very big, so we just kept them very small. So what do we need to do next?
Put these in oil. My dad.
We need to put some vegetable oil on our skewers so that they slide into the balloon nicely. Isn't it? Look at this, guys. What? It didn't pop! Look at this! Look at Stella's kebab! Do you want to show it to everyone? Woohoo!